right, you need an orange. All right, guys, 1 orange and some pineapple. Now, let's get the blender. That's the first thing we're gonna be doing, is get the blender. All right, so the blender will be working. All right, so I got some pineapple which I brought from the supermarket. So I'm gonna put pineapple. Yeah, man. Happy Sunday, Craig. Big up yourself. Every time. So we're gonna put the pineapple into the blender like this. It's just a simple little recipe. It doesn't complicate it. But you know, we have to do these things. You know? And yeah, keep you guys smiling. All right, we got 1 medium size orange. Here it is. Yeah. So we're going to put the orange into it like that. All right, and that's the orange. Simple, guys. So we're gonna get lemon to use inside of it. You can use lime or lemons. Sorry, I gotta use the lime instead of the lemon. So half a lime inside of it. Then we're going to get some ginger. All right, because we recognize a lot of people now use the ginger the way that they're supposed to use it. So we're gonna show them how to use ginger at home. Here's the ginger, a few pieces of ginger. Yeah. All right, put it back. Then we're going to put some water into it like this. Roughly about 1 cup of water. All right. You don't need to stress yourself too much. Then we're going to cover it just like this, guys. And once I cover it, that's the way it looks. It's so easy. Yeah. Very, very easy. Then we're going to use this for it. All right. Good one. Then we're going to make some noise. Wow. Yeah. Just open up. Nice. And we just pour it out like this. And then just drink it like this. You don't need to strain this one. Alright, guys. And that's how it look right there. Esther Delicious. Good morning. Alright. Yeah, you don't need to strain it. You don't need to do nothing with it. You just want to drink it as it is. Alright. So healthy,